Great morning, students. Hope all of you are fine at your home. And today we are going to discuss about synthetic fiber and plastics. As we know very well, synthetic fibers are man-made fibers, and these are made by human beings for their facilities. And about the plastic, as you know very well, daily life we are using the plastic in different forms. So all that things we will read in this chapter. Now, when we talk about the synthetic natural fibers, as you know very well, a fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substance, especially one that is used to make cloth or rope. यू नो वेरी वेल कि ये बिल्कुल बिल्कुल थिन थ्रेड्स होते हैं नेचुरल और आर्टिफिशियल सब्सटेंस के, जो आपके क्या है क्लॉथ्स या रोप बनाने में काम आते हैं. Fibers can be classified into main two categories: natural and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources such as animals and plants. So they are called the natural fibers because we are getting them from the plants or animals. That's why they are called as natural fibers. And whatever we are getting, that are the plant products basically. So that is why they are called the natural fibers. Now when we talk about the natural fiber, for example cotton we are obtaining from a plant, that is the cotton plant, and silk we are obtaining from a silkworm, that is a animal, and wool we are obtaining from a sheep, and hairs from the rabbit or goats we are obtaining different type of wools, and linen from the flax plants we are obtaining. So all these are the natural sources that we are obtaining from the plant and animal sources. सो एज़ यू नो वेरी वेल, जब भी हम इन प्लांट्स के फाइबर्स को ऑब्टेन करते हैं, देन दे हैव टू रिक्वायर देन फ्लैशिंग दैम, then we have to thread them, we have to separate them, we have to clean them, because there is different type of dust and particles are present there, and because of that nature they could not be used as it is. So we have to clean them before to use them. So we have to separate them so that they could be classified into basic types. In different regions of the country we are obtaining wool from the different type of animals. Now we will talk about the our next topic, that is plants fiber. As you know very well, we are obtaining fibers from the cotton. Cotton fiber is obtained from the cotton plant, and it is one of the traditional fiber used in the textile industry. And next is linen. Linen fabric is obtained from the flax plant, and the properties of linen fabric are very much similar to cotton fabrics. एज़ यू नो वेरी वेल, लिनन एक ऐसा फैब्रिक होता है जो आपका फ्लैक्स प्लांट से मिलता है, और ये क्या है, इट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू कॉटन फैब्रिक. नाउ जूट, एज यू वेरी सिमिलर टू द जूट, as it is obtained from the jute plant, and on the accounts of its high strength it is perfect for use in packaging material. ठीक है, पैकेजिंग मटेरियल में इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. डिफरेंट जूट के हम डिफरेंट टाइप के बैग बनाते हैं, या डिफरेंट टाइप के क्लॉथ्स बनाते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप की पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स बनाते हैं. ऑल दीज आर द यूजेस ऑफ द जूट. सो नाउ when we talk about the कॉटन के आप डिफरेंट टाइप के क्लॉथ्स बनाते हो, डिफरेंट टाइप के यूजेस हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप के थिंग्स हैं, दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कॉटन प्लांट्स. नाउ when we talk about the different type of topic, then we have to think about the animal fibers. As I just told you, animal fiber is obtained from the animals, and we are getting them from the animals itself. Now silk is obtained from silkworm, and the most popular kind of silk is obtained from the mulberry silkworm. As you know very well, जो silkworm है वो हमारा मलबरी प्लांट पर रहता है, और मलबरी प्लांट के जो स्मूथ लीव्स होते हैं दे आर ईटिंग दैम, एंड ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ दैम दे आर डूइंग रिप्रोडक्शन देयर. एज यू नो वेरी वेल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आपका एग होता है इट विल चेंज इनटू द लार्वा देन चेंज इनटू प्यूपा, एंड प्यूपा से कॉक्यून बनता है. यू हैव स्टडीड दैम इन द 7th स्टैंडर्ड. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द याक फाइबर. एज यू नो वेरी वेल, the yak is an animal that is largely found in the Himalaya and in India, Tibet, and the hair of yak is very useful in the production of warm cloths, mats and sacks. All these are clothes are prepared with the help of the yak. So as you know very well, yak is very useful and it is found mainly on the mountain area. ठीक है, ये माउंटेन के एरिया में ज़्यादा पाया जाता है और जो भी वूल आपका प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है माउंटेन रीजन पे, वो आपका याक या शिप्स या गोट्स से प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. Synthetic fibers are the man-made fibers, and these are the man-made fiber. Different type of chemicals are used to make synthetic fiber. They have different their own properties that are used to store them. And synthetic fibers are moreover they have length and they have a long lasting. As you know very well, आपको पता है as you know very well कि जो आपके नेचुरल फाइबर्स होते हैं, नेचुरल फाइबर्स आपके क्या होते हैं, they can be easily affected with the chemicals and insect and different type of moths can cut them. But synthetic fibers के ऊपर chemicals का, moths का, insect का, इनका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. तो ये क्या है, they are resistant to that. Moreover synthetic fiber they do not absorb the sweat as much. ठीक है, ये स्वेट को ज़्यादा अब्जॉर्ब नहीं करते, इसलिए हम ये कहते हैं कि जो सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स होते हैं they don't absorb so much water. That is why they are water resistant also. They don't classify themselves. Now synthetic fiber are more length and are long lasting. Means synthetic fibers की लेंथ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और वो बहुत लंबे समय तक चलते हैं, इसे उनको हम लॉन्गर लास्टिंग बोलते हैं. ठीक है, एज यू नो वेरी वेल, ये जो आपका सिंथेटिक कपड़ा होता है वो बहुत लंबे समय तक चलता है, बट इसमें जो पावर, जो वाटर अब्जॉर्प्शन की पावर होती है, इट इज़ वेरी लेस एज कम्पेयर टू दी अदर फाइबर्स. सो यू कैन सी देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अदर सिंथेटिक फाइबर दैट आर यूज टू मेक different type of clothes in this chapter. Now in this chapter we have studied different type of synthetic fibers, and in the next video we will try to discuss about more about this topic. So now thank you and have a nice day.